One thing I also want to mention here is you will find in the folder, after you edit a CR2 file, you'll find this XMP file. Well, XMP file is attached to the CR2 file, and it's a Photoshop extension, and this is the file where all your settings are kept. So if you are deleting this XMP file, you're going to reset the raw settings. But if you want to open this CR2 file or the raw file into another, let's say another software like Bridge, Lightroom, Capture One, these software are designed to recognize the XMP profile and apply those settings again into your raw file.